There was still time for a speck of an island in the Caribbean to have the final say. The 4x100 meters relay.
Jamaica have got to get moving here. The baton changes are good. Frater with it, and Frater will be handing it to Blake, but Gatland's gone well, and now Tyson Gay. That's a decent change, but Blake's now right on the Americans. It's between these two. Bolt's going to have it in the lead, and you know what that means. Here he goes. They've got the baton. Bailey's trying to hold on to Bolt. He's got no chance. Bolt's away and gone. Jamaica are the gold medalists again, and it's a new world record. Smashes into pieces. Two great teams, but only one can stand tall.
One small island.
Okey, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera semua. Apa khabar? Okey, Alhamdulillah. Okey, so dah seminggu kita bercuti. Harap semua dalam keadaan yang sihat walafiat. Okey, so kalau tengok hari ni semua dah nampak tema kita hari ni, tema apa? Okey, sebab sekarang ni tengah musim Olympic 2029. Olimpik, okey. Tema kita hari ni adalah tema Olimpik dan memang sangat bersesuaian lah dengan kita punya tajuk chapter chapter 9. Okey, speed and acceleration. Okey. So hari ini kita akan belajar speed and acceleration, and for your information, today class memang kita tak lama lah, sekejap sahaja. Alright, cikgu tak nak bagi banyak-banyak. Okay, alright, sebab hari ni baru first day setelah seminggu kita bercuti. So kita baru nak start engine balik. So saya harap everyone can do all the exercise and so on. Jadi saya tak nak beratkan kamu. Jadi kita buat kelas tak lama lah. Maybe by 9:30 tu insyaAllah akan habis lah. Ataupun 9:15 to 9:30 macam tu. Alright, sekejap sahaja, tak sampai 1 hour pun. Alright, so sebelum kita start kelas macam biasa as usual, it's suppose I have 2 guests here, tapi the guest tu rupanya tak jadi. Okay, so we still got 1 guest today. Okay, so everyone please say hi to Norina. Okay, Norina, say hi to kawan-kawan.
Hi. Good morning.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Nurina Balkis, but you can call me Nurina. I'm from Two Races.
Okay, bagus Norina sebab dia volunteer diri dia. Okay, dan saya mengharapkan juga after this, I hope someone from Two Races, please, Two Races student kena volunteer sebab saya tak pinpoint siapa yang nak jadi my guest sebenarnya. So I hope ada someone from Two Races, okay, willing to be my guest and also boy. Saya mengharapkan ada student lelaki lah. Okay, and for information for those yang masuk dalam saya punya ruang chat pula, be my guest, okay, untuk kelas saya pada live YouTube, live class, online class ni, memang saya akan bagi markah as amalan baik SSDM. Dan this is also one part of evaluation for you to get TP6. Okay, sebab it's not easy for you to volunteer to be one of my guests kan, nak masuk live dan sebagainya. Okay, so jadi is one part of the evaluation lah. One part of that. Alright, okay. Siapa pakai jaket Akam? I macam tiba-tiba pelik. Siapa yang pakai jaket? Is it Dorida? No kan? Aduh, Mikael, you also a boy. Okay, alright. Okay, semua dah get ready? Okay, Nurina, awak dah get ready dah? Dah boleh start sekarang? Thank you dia. Nurina, dah get ready?
Dah, cikgu.
Okay, very good. Okay, I Captain. Alright, so kita nak tengok hari ni kita nak belajar speed and acceleration. Okay? Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready too, Zafran. Okay. Okay. Now kita tengok. Okay, so apa learning outcome kita hari ini? So hari ini kita akan belajar in speed and acceleration. Okay, you have 2 learning standard. The first learning standard will be speed and the second learning standard will be acceleration. Okay, so in the 9.1 speed, you have 4 learning outcomes. Okay, so today, cikgu just nak ajar 2 learning outcomes sahaja. Okay, instead of 4. Alright, saya just nak buat 2 sahaja. Alright, so kalau let's see the learning outcomes dekat sini, Norina, can you read for us?
Explain the meaning of speed as a rate involving distance and time. Describe the difference between uniform and non-uniform speed.
Okay, so you have 2 learning outcomes here. The first one, kita nak tengok what is the definition of speed. Okay, and yang dimaksudkan dengan speed as a rate involving distance and time. And then the second one, kita nak describe the difference between uniform and non-uniform speed. Alright? Okay. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay. Cuba tengok this one. Okay, nampak slide saya hari ni Okay, you nampak this sign. Where did you see this symbol? Class. Mikael, Haris, Zafran. Yang Mikael pinpoint Zafran. But you also a boy, Mikael. Dekat jalan. Are you sure dekat jalan? This symbol. Okay. Hidayah sit at lorry. Okay. Akif sit dekat jalan raya. Okay. Okay, so ada yang cakap dekat jalan raya, ada yang dekat lori and so on. Tapi kalau diikutkan, okay, dia sebenarnya selalunya ada dekat lori ataupun trailer. Siapa perasan dia tampal design ini dekat bahagian hadapan trailer or belakang trailer? Trailer or lori or so on. Di mana? Depan, tepi, kanan? Kelas? Dekat kereta ada ke? Tak adalah. Ya, betul. Oh ya, lama sangat saya tak keluar. Ya kan, sampai tak nak tahu kat mana kan. Betul juga ya. Aduh, Akram. Okay, so dekat belakang lori sebenarnya yang ditampal. Okay, alright. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, what does this symbol mean? Siapa tahu? Okay, what does this symbol mean? Okay, Nurina nak bagi jawapan?
The speed rate, the speed for the length of kilometer.
Speed rate semua awak jawab kan. Okay, Azalia said speed limit. Is it? Mana Azalia said? Speed limit at highway. Dia fokus dia. Haris said jalan raya. What do you mean by jalan raya? Okay, Emil said okay, speed limit. Okay, very good. Okay, Nadia said 80 km per hour. Okay, for your information, okay, this symbol mean is the speed limit for the tractor to maksudnya dia punya speed limit dia lah. Okay, so kalau typical road ataupun macam jalan biasa sahaja, the limit for the trailer tu mesti 80 km per hour. Macam tu lah. Okay, but kalau dekat highway, it must be not more than 90 km per hour. So ini yang kita panggil as a speed limit. Okay, now let's move to the third question. Okay, what will the consequence be if the driver does not comply with the speed limit stated on the symbol? Okay. Okay, Durina, you can type also. Tak ada masalah. Kalau nak type, type. Kalau tanya, saya akan tanya jugalah live. Okay, what will the consequence be if the driver does not comply with the speed limit stated on the symbol? Apa jadi? Apa jadi dekat driver? Okay. Daya said got sue or maybe accident. Okay, alright. Okay, bagus Daya. Okay, so you can got sue and then maybe accident lah kalau kita lebih daripada 90 km per hour. Tapi kalau you tengok dekat jalan raya, mostly kalau trailer and so on memang laju. Betul tak? Ke tak tahu? Ke tak dah lama sangat sebab tak ingat dah macam mana jalan raya ke apa. Aduh. Accident memanglah kemungkinan boleh jadi accident Okay. Ya, betul lah, dah lama sangat. Okay, so kalau kata sue, awak rasa-rasa berapa ringgit ni kena bayar ni kalau kata melebihi speed limit ni? Apa speed limit? Rasa-rasanya. Nurina. Yang lain-lain juga jawab dalam chat. Rasa-rasanya kalau kita kena saman ni, berapa kena tu? Kalau siapa yang lebih daripada limit yang diberi? Rasa-rasanya.
RM2,000.
RM2.
RM2,000.
Berapa? Sorry?
2,000 to 10,000.
2,000 to
10,000
10,000.
to 10,000.
Okay. Nori said 50,000. Aduh. Hai. Dia say 400. Okay. Emil said 500 to 1,000. Norin said 50,000. Agak-agaknya kalau lah 50,000, ada ke orang yang boleh lari laju? Maksud saya, apa tu yang bawa kereta laju and so on. Okay, ada accident dan sebagainya. Sebabnya kalau diikutkan, okay, kita cuba tengok. Ini adalah orang kata you punya general knowledge lah, okay. Sebenarnya, okay, ini adalah motor. Okey, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okey, kesalahan berkaitan memandu melebihi had laju. Okey, for motor, it's suppose the kadar compound, okey, the rate lebih kurang dalam 300. Maksimum 300, tak lebih daripada tu sebenarnya. Okey, tak lebih daripada 300. So kita adalah kat sini. Kalau antara 1 hingga 15 hari berapa, okey, kalau lambat bayar lagi dapat 300 lah macam tu. Kalau kita cepat bayar then dia dapat discount and so on. Macam tu. Doesn't matter dia. Dia rich ke, kereta Lamborghini ke, kereta apa pun, dia still juga guna pakai this apa maksudnya, dia punya compound lah. Okay, masih lagi di same compound. Oh, kabur. Okay, kejap saya besarkan. Okay, alright. Tak apa sebab saya screenshot this one. So maybe that's why dia kabur sikit. Tak apalah, nanti saya bacakan. Alright. Then yang kedua, kalau kesalahan yang berkaitan lampu isyarat also. Okay, kita punya fine maximum is 300. Ni this for motorist motor sahaja. Okay, then kalau berkaitan dengan telefon bimbit, nanti bila you bawa motor and so on pakai telefon bimbit, okay, tak boleh. So kalau kata kena, you still kena bayar 300 maximum saman. Okay, and then berkaitan dengan topi keledar. Ni nanti lepas ni dah ada information ni, nanti you, kalau kata you naik motor dengan ayah you ke apa, and then you boleh bagi tahu ayah kena pakai topi keledar. Even you perbonceng and so on lah. Alright, kalau pakai topi keledar maximum also 300. Okay, then the last one, kesalahan berkaitan dengan lesen memandu. Okay, tak ada lesen memandu. Okay, tak ada chop L dan sebagainya. So ada yang dapat 100. Okay, lesen memandu dah tamat tempoh. Maksudnya kita memang kena renew kita punya lesen memandu tu tau. Ada every year, every 2 years and every 5 years macam tu. Okay, dan lesen memandu PDL ni tamat tempoh juga RM80. Okay, what if the guy who is driving fast is the president? Okay, for information, the president and so on tu dia ada apa panggil convoy, police convoy. Okay, so police convoy tu dia adalah, diorang ada kelebihan dekat situ. So tak kisahlah sebab selalunya bila lari laju pun ada police convoy, so tak ada masalah. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay, then let's move to the, okay, tadi cerita pasal motor. Okay, kita tengok kereta. Okay, kereta juga still 300 dekat sini. So kalau kamu tengok berkaitan melebihi had laju, okay, so 300. Berkaitan dengan lampu isyarat also 300. Telefon bimbit, okay, 300 also. Okay, then tali pinggang keledar. So kena ingat, for those yang duduk belakang sebenarnya kena pakai tali pinggang keledar also. Nampak Yang ini pemandu hadapan 300. Kalau yang tidak pakai tali pinggang keledar di tempat duduk belakang also, kamu boleh define sebanyak 300 juga. Okay, then sekejap saya hide ni. Berkaitan dengan topi keledar dan juga kesalahan-kesalahan berkaitan dengan lesen memandu, the maximum compound is 200. Okay. Apa kena mengenai Rusia pula Akram? Sabar je lah. Okay, boleh? So kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, itu adalah introduction sahaja. Okay, so bila kita cakap pasal speed ini, Okay, kalau you tengok ini speed ni apa sebenarnya? Okay, this is the formula for speed. Yang ini you kena hafal, you kena tahu. Okay, jangan tak tahu pula. Alright. Okay, so kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, yang ini you kena hafal, this is a triangle dekat sini. Okay, ini adalah formula for you to make you easier lah to calculate nanti nak cari distance, speed or time lah. Alright, so kalau tengok dekat sini, okay, D is the distance, okay, the symbol D ni stand for distance, S for speed and T for time. Okay, so you kena tahu kat sini. Okay, so what is the formula for speed? Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, this is distance. Okay, distance equal to speed times time. Okay, maksud dia apa? Kalau kita nak cari jarak, kalau you tengok dalam triangle ni, okay, distance equals to S times T. Nampak okay, S times T. So, speed times time. Masa. Okay, ini untuk kita cari distance. Sebab nanti akan ada soalan problem solving, dia nak tanya distance. Okay, but how about speed? Okay, the formula for speed is distance over T. Sekejap saya. Okay, distance over T. Okay, alright, so distance over T. So distance over time. So this is the formula for speed. Okay, then how about time? Kita nak cari time. Okay, time pula distance over speed. Okay, boleh. So kita ada these three formula. Okay, boleh kelas? Boleh Norina?
Boleh cikgu.
Okay, boleh. Kelas boleh? Hari ini senang je, mudah saja kelas kita hari ini. Okay, good. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, jadi apa yang kita kata dekat sini? Speed was the ratio of the distance over time. Nampak tak? Ratio distance over time. Okay, so itu yang kita masukkan as speed. Okay, alright. Okay, boleh. Okay, now let's see for the example here. Okay, Norina, cuba tolong saya bacakan example Norina.
Ilyas and Akif are young sprinters. During a 100-meter event, Ilyas finished in 10.38 seconds while Akif finished in 10.25 seconds. Calculate their speed respectively.
Okay, now, okay, Ilyas and Akif are young sprinters. During a 100-meter event, Ilyas finished 10.38 seconds while Akif finished in 10.25 seconds. Okay, calculate their speed respectively. Okay, alright. So, sekarang kita nak cari speed. Okay, class, please count speed for Ilyas. Okay, buat. And then type the answer in chat. Okay, buat sekarang. Okay, I want the answer for speed for Ilyas. Okay, yeah, thank you Faik. Yes, the formula is distance over time, but I want the final answer. Okay, someone said, Mikael said 9.63 meter per second. Okay, meter per second. Okay, how about others? Oh, Nadia kenapa kilometer per hour Nadia? Okay, kita kena tengok dekat sini lah. Meter and second Alright, then kita cuba tengok betul ke tidak ni. Okay, speed of Ilyas equals to distance over time. Ilyas ada ke hari ni? Tak ada Ilyas hari ni? Okay, so 100 divide by 10.35, you get 6.963 meter per second. Okay, okay, pandai. Okay, how about Akif? How about Akif? Okay, speed of Akif. Okay, alright. So, Akif said, Akif said 9.75 meter per second. Okay, tengok betul ke tidak ni? Okay, 75 ke 76? You dapat tekan calculator, dia akan dapat apa? 9.755 something, betul? Bila you tekan the calculator, the answer become alright. Yes, you need to round off. Dia dapat 9.7555 macam tu. Okay? 9.756. Yes, Mikael. Then after that, you need to round off. So the answer must be 9.76. Okay? Tak boleh jawab 9.75. Itu kena ambil kira lah dekat situ. Okay, so for this one, who is the winner? Ilyas or Akif? Akif, yes. Okay, Akif is the winner. Okay, 9.76 meter per second. Akif is really fast je lah. Okay, alright. Okay. Now, let's move to... Boleh setakat ini okay? Boleh Nurina setakat ini?
Boleh cikgu.
Emil gold medal for Akif. So, in reality, macam mana Akif? Aduh. Gold medal for Akif yelah. Alright, boleh? Boleh? Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, kita nak tengok uniform and non-uniform speed. Okay, so type of speed kita ada dua. Okay, so the first one is uniform speed, then the second one is non-uniform speed. Okay, so what is the meaning of the uniform speed? The rate of change of equal distance over equal time. Okay, so the keyword here is equal distance over equal time. Alright. Okay, so how about non-uniform speed? Okay, the distance travel varies over equal time interval. So dekat sini, the key point dekat sini is distance varies over equal time interval. Okay, very confusing. Macam mana ni cikgu? Saya tak faham. Okay, kita cuba tengok dekat sini. Okay, alright. Now kita tengok data representation involving uniform speed. Okay. Alright, so kita tengok dekat sini. Ini yang kita panggil as uniform speed. Okay. Kalau you tengok this table, apa yang you can conclude from this table, class? Nurina, you can type in the comments also. Time is half of distance. Okay, when the time increase, the distance increase. Okay, how about kalau you tengok dekat sini time dia 5 to 10. So the time interval is 5 minutes. Betul tak? Pandai Nurina cakap. Okay, Nurina cuba baca sikit apa yang tulis tu.
The distance increased by 10 meter every 5 minutes.
Okay, so Nurina said the distance increased by 10 meter every 5 minutes. Okay, betul ke? Kelas? Okay, so kalau you tengok betul-betul dekat sini pattern dia memang dia punya distance ni memang increase 10 meter every 5 minutes. 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. Okay. Then the time juga 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes dekat situ. Okay. So kalau you tengok dekat sini. Okay. Kalau kita plot the graph, it becomes like this. Nampak? Okay. It becomes like this. Alright. So apa yang kita boleh conclude dekat sini? The distance increase by 10 meter for each 5 minute interval. Okay. So setiap 5 minit ini distance will be increased by 10 meter. Okay. Boleh kelas? So inilah yang kita panggil as a uniform speed. Okay. Boleh? Okay, very simple, right? Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, kita tengok data representation involving non-uniform speed. Okay, sekarang kita tengok non-uniform speed. Okay, apa yang you can conclude daripada this table? Tengok table ni. Dia tak ada betul yang salah You boleh bagi any idea about this table. Okay, sementara tu saya ingatkan lagi sekali, make sure to click the attendance in GC. Okay, ramai yang kadang-kadang tak klik attendance tu. Okay. Apa yang kalau you tengok dekat table ni, apa yang conclusion yang kamu boleh buat dekat table ni? Bagi pandangan. Dia memang table, I tahu. Okay, kelas. Cepat, saya menunggu. Apa yang you boleh conclude kesimpulan dekat dalam table ni? Okay, Akram said like this. Okay. Ada conclusion? Faik said it's not uniform. Okay, thank you Faik. Memang it's not uniform lah. Okay. Okay, panjang Syaz cakap ni. Okay, kejap. Kita share apa Syaz cakap. Oh, panjang betul. Nurina, tolong baca sikit apa Syaz tulis tu.
The distance increases by 100 meter for 2 minutes, and on the third minute it increases by 50 meter and maintains the same way until the fifth minute where it reaches 300 meter.
Okay, bagus. Tak apa, Syaztika. Saya suka. Okay, Nick Akif said, kita tengok Akif tulis apa. Akif said, the distance stop for a while at a specific time. Okay. Alright. Okay, so bagi saya Syaz tulis tu bagus lah tu. Okay. Alright. So kalau kita tengok dekat sini, okay, this is the graph here. Kalau kita tengok dekat sini, okay. So bila kita plot the graph, what happened? Okay. In 1 to 3 hours, okay, 3 hours tak lah, 1 to 2 hours, okay, it uniform. Okay. And then the distance 100 meter for 1 hour lah. And then after the 3, okay, 3 hours ni dia punya jarak dia akan jadi 50 sahaja. Nampak 50 meter sahaja. And then for 3 hour to 4 hours apa akan jadi? It becomes stationary ataupun pegun, dia tidak bergerak. Okay. Then after that dia move balik. Okay, distance dia jadi masa kelima tu. Okay, 5 hours ni jam kelima. Alright, dia akan naik sebanyak 50 juga. Okay, so that's why dekat kawasan ini sebenarnya dia non-uniform. Okay, it's supposed to be, kalau dikata uniform, it's supposed to be 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Okay, but dia tulis sekarang jadi 100, 200, 250, 250, 300. Alright. Okay, so the distance travel change after the second hour. No changes occur between the third and fourth hour. Macam itulah. Alright. Bolehlah juga tadi. I thought it was minute. Hours kat sini. So beza Syaz tulis tadi, dia tulis dalam minit Okay, alright. Okay, boleh kelas? Senang je kan? Dah clear about uniform and non-uniform? Okay, very clear, very simple. Okay, then kita cuba tengok example dekat sini. Akram drove a car 470 km within the first 2 hours and 190 km within the next 4 hours. Did Akram drive the car at uniform speed? Explain. Okay, so what you need to do bila kita nampak soalan macam ni, kelas? Apa yang kita nak buat? Okay, what you need to do? Okay, remember formula. Yes, okay, what is the formula for speed? There. Are you sure we need to construct a table? No. Okay, yes. Okay, Nadia said. Okay, very good. Okay, find the speed. Okay, we need to find the speed. Okay, as Mikael said lah, use the speed formula to determine if it's uniform speed or not. Okay, class. Okay, now I want you, okay, macam mana nak cari? Sekarang kita cari dulu, okay, for the first 2 hours, the speed of Akram in first 2 hours. Okay, class. Okay, find the speed of Akram for first 2 hours. Okay, Nurina get 85 km per hour. Okay. Ilhan, that's a kilometer, Ilhan, not meter Mana ada letak kereta dalam meter pula? Naik kereta 80 meter pula. Kilometer. Okay, very good. Okay, 8 km per hour. You tulis 8 pula. 85 km per hour. Okay, cuba kita tengok betul ke tidak. Okay, speed for the first 2 hour, distance of our time. So 170 divided by 2. So the answer is 85 km per hour. Okay, how about the next 4 hours, class? The speed for next 4 hours. Okay. Cepat Nela. Okay, Nela said 47.5 km per hour. How about others? Hi Naja. Baru nampak dia type tadi. Okay, alright. Okay, good. Okay, you dapat 47.5 km per hour. Okay, betul. Okay, so jawapan dia, did Akram drive the car at uniform speed, class? Is it uniform or non-uniform? Okay, somewhat said no. Okay, Nurina, pada pandangan kamu apa Nurina? Is it non-uniform atau uniform speed?
I think it's non-uniform
Why?
because the first 2 hours is for 85. How to explain this? Like, it's not equal. Like the
Okay, the speed for first 2 hours is different for the speed for next 4 hours. Alright. Okay, kalau the uniform is supposed to be either the next 4 hours also 85 km per hour atau the first 2 hours is also 47.5 km per hour. Okay, then it becomes uniform. Boleh Nurina? Okay, alright. Okay, so yang lain boleh? Senang je kan? Okay, so dah habis. Alright, boleh? Senang je kan? Okay, then after this, kamu boleh buat exercise, do lesson 23 exercise in GC before 10 am. Okay, very simple question sahaja. Tak banyak pun soalan dia. Okay, alright, so sebelum kita menghabiskan kelas kita hari ini, saya nak tanya ada apa-apa soalan tak? Ada apa soalan? No question here. Okay, now please rate your understanding for the class today out of 5, and if you your understanding is more than 3, make sure to click like, okay, dekat dalam this video. Okay, out of 5 class. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Kenapa yang kata 4 tu Kenapa you tak bagi perfect? Faham semua. 4 tu kerana apa? Part mana yang kamu deduct 1 marks tu? For those yang pilih Mikael, why you said 4 Mikael? Part mana yang you tak berapa nak faham? Lorena, how about you?
4.6.
4.6. Ada je puluhan. Okay. Okay lah. MA, the formula, kalau you tengok balik nanti, you boleh klik balik dekat this video nanti, you should balik okay. Okay. I understand the beginning March. I will watch the video later. Okay. Boleh. Alright. Okay, so kalau tak ada masalah, Faik, kalau more than 3 is okay lah Faik. Maksudnya banyak faham daripada tak faham. Okay, so kalau tak ada apa-apa, saya rasa sampai sini saja. Sebelum tu, Nurina, say something to kawan-kawan.
Finish your work. And
Itu.
ya, itu je.
Aduh, say something inspiring. Dekat exit. Suruh dia masuk.
So, stay happy.
Okay, so lepas ni saya harapkan ada lagi volunteer from class Razors, please. Razors pula, Hazen. Please, someone from Hazen. Okay, Faik ke, Nela ke, siapa lagi? Norin, please, Hazen. And also someone, boys lah. Okay, budak lelaki. So yang volunteer, I hope so lah. Alright, so kalau tak ada apa-apa lagi, saya rasa sampai sini saja kelas kita hari ini. Okay, okay, sampai sini saja kelas kita hari ini. Okay, bye-bye semua. Assalamualaikum. Kita jumpa lagi hari Jumaat. Bye.